Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I have the August 2025 Glossybox. I may have already looked inside. I really like it. So I thought I'd do a quick video unboxing it, showing you what we've got this month. Let's go. So as you've already seen, we've got the iconic pink Glossybox this month. No limited edition, but I always quite like the classic, you know, the OG. We love to see that pink. And here is a quick flash at what we've got, but I'm going to unbox everything one by one. So this is the first item, and I really like this. I personally really need a new lip liner, and I have to say, this colour is so pretty, so universal, and I don't know, that's just like the perfect lip liner shade for me. This is by Lauren Serenito. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I mean, let's be honest, I don't pronounce anything right. But I really like this. I think this could be my favourite item of the entire box. But let's move on to the next item and see what's inside. Okay, next up is this face mist. I have already tried it on, and I don't know if you can tell, but I think I look quite glowy and hydrated from this. It's little face mist. It's by Earth Harbour. It's called Mystic Waters, and it smells kind of salty. Let me spray it on. There it is. You know, when you're like, I feel fresher, glowier, hydrated. It's got lots of nice things in, like what's it got in? I swear it's got like vitamin C in, seaweeds, pre and postbiotics, sea foam minerals, magnesium, sea electrolytes, and chamomile water. And yeah, I think it just makes me look a little healthier. So I'm all into that, and it's a nice full-size product as well. So that is the next thing. And then this is a handy little item. This is by Skin Cyclopedia, who I've never heard of, but this is a shower gel. And my favorite thing about this is the way it smells. There's something about it which is giving old school Body Shop, and I'm here for it. I don't know what it is. There's something about it. Anyway, that is the packaging. Nice generous size, 75 mils, perfect for travel and holidays. Then we've got this by Beauty Pro. It's a skin hydrating hyaluronic acid sheet mask. Always handy, you know, when you're like, there's no mess, there's no messing up, there's no dirty flannels afterwards. You just shove it on, you look better after like 10 minutes. So that is the next item, Beauty Pro, always a winner in my book. And then last but not least, I have actually already tried this. It is by, I want to call them Baja Skincare. I don't really know if I'm pronouncing that right either. But look at this. It is a shimmer body lotion. Look at that. Oh God, oh my God, it's gone on the carpet. Ah! Oh my God, it literally went all over the carpet, and it's like completely tinted. Oh, I put way too much on there. This video is chaotic, can you tell? Anyway, this is what it looks like. Let me just blend it in. It smells so pretty. It smells like nuts. I've put way too much on. Let me just disperse it over both arms. Oh my God. It's got a slight tint, more if you put more on, but it does give a really pretty shimmer. Maybe it's possible I put too much on. I'm starting to look like the robot from Wizard of Oz. But yeah, it's got really pretty shimmer. Don't use too much. And yeah, it just smells so good. It smells like nuts. It smells really good. Right, I'm going to try and put some of this on my legs as well. I went so overboard with this bad boy. Anyway, as you can see, it's got a bit of a tint. It's got a shimmer. It's very pretty. And that is by Baja Skincare. And I think that's the entire box. Anyway, I really like it. What do you think? And yeah, don't use too much of this at once, because I went way too overboard. Anyway, that's my video. What do you think? Thank you for watching. Goodbye.